Hello everyone, on today's tutorial we will be working on the steamer that goes with the dumpling that we made in our last tutorial. If you haven't seen that tutorial, I will link it in the description below. The supplies that you will need are a 6mm crochet hook, a stitch marker, yarn needle, scissors, and yarn. And today I'm using Loops and Threads Demi Pearl yarn. We're going to start off by doing 8 single crochet in a magic ring. And we get that done, pull up the magic ring tight. Now we want to do increase in each stitch. That will give us 16 stitches. And a tight stitch here. And put our stitch marker in. And I'll meet you back here at the end of row 2. Okay, for round 3 we are going to do a single crochet and an increase. So single crochet and put our stitch marker back in and increase. Okay, so at the end of that row we have 24 stitches. For row 4 we are going to do 2 single crochet and 1 increase. I'll meet you back here at the end of row 4. Okay, we now have 32 stitches. So for this round, round 5, we are going to work single crochet in the back loop only. That's one. Let's pick up the back loop and single crochet all around. Now for row 6, 7, and 8 we are going to single crochet all around. So that's 3 rows, just single crochet all around. I'll meet you back here at the end of row 8. Okay, now that we have our 8 rows complete, we are just going to cut our yarn and fasten off. So we have 1/2 of our steamer now complete. And all we want to do now is just weave in our ends. I usually just go back 3 or 4 stitches weave in and then cut. Okay, for the other half of our steamer, the directions are the exact same as the instructions that we just followed. So we'll go ahead and follow the same instructions and get started on the second half. We have now completed the second half of our steamer. So we need to leave a long tail on this one to sew together with the other piece. We can sew in our end and weave it in the middle here. Now to put the two pieces together, we're going to line up this edge here with this edge of the other half and sew them together. We're going to do about 6 stitches on here. And there you have a steamer that opens and closes. So let's weave in our end here. And if you want to add a handle to the top, it's very simple. Just put your crochet hook in row 3. Just chain. Chain 6. Put it through row 3 of the other side, the opposite. Pull up a stitch here. And do a single crochet. Cut our yarn. Just pull the ends tight. And just weave our ends in. And that's it. There we go. You have a cute little dumpling and steamer. And this completes our tutorial. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy to follow beginner friendly videos. My next tutorial is going to be these adorable crochet chunky chickens. So if you want to learn how to make these, make sure you like and subscribe, and we'll go through the tutorial together. Thanks for watching.